Guys, hey, welcome back to the channel. This is the video you've been waiting for. XYO crypto. XYO. Okay. We recently bought into this. Shout out to someone that follows the YouTube. They actually told me about it. They post a lot in the comments. So thank you. We've alerted the Discord. We bought into this. Actually added to my position today. And in today's video, I want to tell you exactly why I chose to do that. Now, I've been on YouTube for quite some time. I've called a lot of different stocks, a lot of different crypto. But this is not telling you to buy or sell any stocks, crypto out there. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's all my own opinion. And let's get right into it. All right, so let me share my screen with you all and let's dig into XYO. Okay, so XYO is a very, very high risk cryptocurrency, I would say. Very low market cap. It's under 100 million. We'll actually go into the tokenomics in a little bit, a little later in today's video. So make sure you watch till the very end, especially if you're into low market cap cryptocurrencies. Usually we talk about, Jasmy, Dogecoin, those are closer to $1 billion. And then Dogecoin is like a $10 billion market cap, I believe right now, or 11 billion. So obviously safer than cryptos under 100 million. So you just want to be aware of that, first of all. But I do like the technicals and I want to break down some things for you in today's video. And I want to go back in time a little bit so we can see the 21 EMA is right here, this thick white line. And XYO obviously has traded below it, it's traded above it, which is really bullish. And right now we're trading above it right now. So really what we want to look for, the first thing is looking at the MACD. Okay, so recently we had a MACD cross on a weekly time frame. This crossed September 16th, 2024. This was right when we were down here, and you can see this big green candle that happened right after the MACD cross. So when the MACD crosses, it's very bullish in a way. You could go back in time, you could look at a lot of different cryptos and stocks. Usually when there's a MACD cross on a weekly time frame, here's another one. Okay, we had 3 more solid green weeks after this MACD cross. We have a MACD cross here. We have 1, 2 green weeks, and now we're consolidating. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Whenever you see a MACD cross, very good. So this is one of the reasons why I added more and why I also bought. And I like the high risk plays a little bit because I think these can get like 300% returns very quickly. This was like Jasmy when it was under, I think it was under like 500,000 market cap or even less. Also, AOS was under a $300 million market. Actually, it was like $200 million market cap at 13 cents when we first told all Patreon members to buy. And that thing ran to over $1. AOS crypto, it's AI crypto. Okay, so again, I like the high risk ones under $100 million market cap. I only invest what I'm willing to lose. Like if this investment XYO goes to 0 tomorrow, I will be okay, right? So make sure you're not gambling your money away or like paying your mortgage or your rent money or groceries for your kids to put into crypto. Never do that. Always have diversification in your portfolios. Make sure you have an emergency fund and all the above. But that's really the first reason, right? Is the MACD cross. Every time this happens, usually very bullish. We see there was one over here also. We consolidated, but we were under the 21 EMA at this one, and then it rallied, right? On this MACD cross, we were already above the 21 EMA. We rallied. On this one, we were under the 21 EMA, and then we rallied. So I kind of think we're like right here when this happened for XYO back in the day. And I'm going to give you another reason why I think we're right here outside of just the MACD crossing over. But when this happened, guys, let's see, it was like right here. So this was consolidating for months, right, under the 21 EMA. The MACD cross, it got pretty wide, and what happened? An explosion happened. So right here, cross, got pretty wide, explosion. And then it got back above the 21 EMA, and it kept rallying higher. And I think that's going to happen for XYO also in the future, in a couple weeks or maybe even a couple months. But honestly, it could happen within the next week or so with how it's playing out right now. And again, that's why I added more today. But the other reason is we're creating positive divergence on the RSI. So if you go back in time right here, we have a higher low on the RSI, okay, these 2 points, but we had a lower low on the asset. So lower low right here. This is a lower point than this point. This is a higher point than this point. So this is positive divergence. So with this paired up with a MACD cross, you obviously saw what happened for XYO. Okay, went on a monster rally. it was trading at 0.003, so not even half a penny, and it ran all the way to 1.5 pennies, 1.6. I think that was about a 400% return on investment in a matter of a couple months. Okay, so again, this is doing it again right here. XYO has created a positive divergence where the asset has made a lower low. Okay, this was higher than this point, but the RSI has made a higher low. Okay, what happens? We pop, MACD cross, pop, trading above the 21 EMA right now, guys. So this is looking pretty perfect, I would say. And this is why I alerted Patreon members the last 2 times I bought XYO. And I'll probably hold this for some time because it's such a small market cap, again, under 100 million. So where could this actually go? Well, if we look at a Fibonacci from over here, you can see I took a fib from the old high, the most recent high up here, and then it sold off, and I brought it all the way to the low. And right now, we're just testing the 236 level. So you can see we've wicked 2 times. We need to break this, and then the 382 level is probably next, about 0.008. And then we got a penny. We got a penny at the 50 right here. But ultimately, guys, once we get through all this noise and Bitcoin skyrockets. I made a Bitcoin video earlier today. Make sure you watch that. It's on my page. When all of these coins move up, XYO is going to move up massively, I do believe. So I have some trend lines that I'd be looking for. Like it seems like it might be following this path right here. So when it swings higher, we definitely could go way up here. And then we also have the 1.618 level, which is about 2.5 cents. So that would be definitely a target I would look for just because it's super high risk with this crypto. We also have wicks over here, so this could act as resistance. Okay, make sure you drop a like, guys, if you haven't yet. I would truly appreciate that, so this can get pushed out to more people. And let me know down below, leave a comment if you want me to consistently make videos on XYO, just with any news and charts that I find. Make sure you leave a comment down below. That tells me that I should definitely make more videos. If not, I probably won't make another video after today. But this is really where we're at. So I'll be looking for the 1.618 level. But then we also have this cool trend line that goes up, straight up, more of a bullish, like to the moon type of line. And if we go up here, we could test this in December maybe. If it just goes on a massive run, we get to the 2.618 level, which is about 3.8. So almost 4 pennies for XYO. But I would be definitely taking profit in these areas, guys, because let's just see the return on investment from right now, what that would get us to. So right here, I mean, the 1.618 is 300%. The 2.618 is 500%. Now take profit, maybe take your initial out. At that point, maybe collect a little more. And then a full Fibonacci retracement would be about 6 cents. So that would be a 10x from where we're at. If you get 10x your investment, that's pretty good. If you're looking for 10x, 20x, 30x coins, it definitely has to be a smaller market cap like this one, which is under $100 million market cap. You can see 81.66 million is the market cap right here. Guys, before we get into that, make sure you join the Patreon down below. I'm finding a bunch of winners with stocks and crypto. We have over 472 active members. And I just posted some cryptos to watch that recently had a MACD cross. So I listed 5 cryptos here for you to check out. If you want to learn more about that, the MACD is a great indicator to tell you when to buy, when to sell, but we go over a lot more indicators as well. So invest in yourself today if you want, and join our team down below. So looking at this, also we have the total supply, which I like. The total supply is 13.93. The max supply is 13.93. So very small supply. And also, that's all the coins they'll ever create. We have a circulating supply. Mostly all the coins are in circulation now, which is a great sign. So when you look at this chart right here, it basically means, whoops, what happened? It basically means that they're not going to really dilute anymore because all the coins are in circulation. It's kind of like jasmy in a way. Remember when jasmy was down at 0.006, 0.007, and you were buying it because you were in the Patreon and you were getting my alerts, and then jasmy ran to 4.4. Well, this is kind of looking the same, and this is a super low market cap. So again, you got to do some research on it, but I feel really good about it with the reasons that I gave you in today's video. Hopefully you guys got some value as well. And also the volume, guys, is so small. Like this is the volume right now. What if more money just pumps this thing? This thing will go on a massive rally. The community sentiment, 88% is bullish right now, 12% being bearish. They have 66,000 followers on the website, which is really good. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. So drop a like. Let me know your price target for XYO down below. Again, I think it could easily get to about a 2.5 cent range. That would line up with everything that I've talked about in today's video. And have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.